today with another video. But before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed to my channel already. And if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today's video is going to be brought to you by the company Klaiyi hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area for you guys. And I'm going to be showcasing a bob. Yes, another bob. You get your satin bag in the box. They also included 2 wig clips because y'all know how I feel about 1 wig clip, and then just a little goodie bag with an HD wig cap, the company's edge band, and also some press-on nails. So they sent over tape and also your removable adjustable elastic band. This is very, very soft. This is their 13 by 4 Yaki straight bob wig in the length 12 inches. Look at that texture. It's definitely giving me a light Yaki. What the parting space area looks like. They also have this tape on the side you can use. No combs on the side, but you do get a comb in the back if I can feel for it. So your adjustable straps. This is very thick and full. Y'all already know I'm gonna have to go across the front of the hairline with a little bit of my tint spray because she is light, okay? Too light for my liking, but this is a parting space area. You can go back a little bit further, but I wouldn't try to go back too far because you don't want to end up running into the tracks, even though the tracks are laying down really nice and flat. And then this is what it looks like on the side. Okay, so you don't get a lot of parting space option when it comes to the side. Can you part on the side? Yeah, but you're gonna be kind of limited, so you can't do like a deep part. The fit on this, I only adjusted the straps, so the fit is actually not too bad as far as like I don't feel any like bulging in the cap. I don't feel like it's super big on my head. I do think I am gonna have to cut off like just a little bit of lace on the side. Y'all know last time I used my tint spray on another wig, it just kind of deactivated this tape. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use the tape or if I'll use some extra tape because last time it just didn't work, but we'll see. That be my only con about these pre-everything wigs is this lace is just so light, okay? This lace is so light and you have to get it together. But speaking of getting it together, I'm gonna, as soon as I get this hair out of my mouth, speaking of getting it together, I'm gonna go ahead and get this together. And then of course I'll be back to show you guys the final look and also tell you guys my final thought. I did have to go in on the side and trim down some of my lace by my ear. I was able to use the adhesive tabs because I did not spray on that side, so hopefully it don't look crazy as far as the lace goes. Speaking of lace, I did have to go in with my tint spray, and I actually added a few more coats, and I feel like it still wasn't enough. I didn't want to be heavy-handed because of course I didn't want it to come off looking too dark, but even after everything dried down, I still had to go in with a little bit of my bronzing powder right around the very front of the hairline because it was still coming off looking a little too light. And like I stated before, that is my only thing sometimes about the pre-everything units. The lace can just be a little bit off-putting and you still have to go in and put that extra work in. Mine's already plucked out, so I didn't have to go in and do anything. I also didn't have to add any powder into the parting space area. I feel like it looks good. I think you can see like a little bit of my cap because it kind of scooted back, but that's okay. It still looks good. It's nice and open. Go in and just straighten it out. At first I added a light bump, but let me tell you, because of how soft this hair is, it is not going to hold a bump too long or a curl unless you go in with some type of holding spray. I had to refix this side multiple times. I feel like this was my good side, but this side had to be fixed multiple times. I probably would go in and do some smaller curls, and like I said, go in with some holding spray just to make it last. I like the cut on this unit. It looks fine. The density on this is really nice, even though like right in this area, I felt like it was a little bit of a heavier density. So when I was rocking it straight, I had to kind of keep pushing it down. And it had nothing to do with my cap because I feel like my cap fits really good. And I get a lot of shedding during the styling process, even with me cutting into the lace, because I had to cut off some of that sticky tab. Snags, I mean, I expect some to happen in the nape area. I feel like that's just going to happen with your units anyway. But because how soft it is, I think that this unit is very, very manageable. I also feel like this is good for beginners. Really, the only thing you're gonna have to work on is just getting your lace to melt and just getting the color correct. So just go in with some foundation, or if you have any tint spray, don't be afraid to use. I got no humpiness going on at the top. I didn't have to go in with any wax. I did use a hot comb just to kind of press it down a little bit more. But yeah, I actually like the curl style. I feel like it definitely just adds a little razzle dazzle to it. I mean, straight is cool also, but the curl style just makes it look a little bit more glam. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Are you feeling this one? And let me know what style you're feeling, the straight look or the curl look. If you are feeling this, I am going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.